September 8, 2003 was a dark day for Brianna LaHara, a 12-year-old girl. He was sued by the RIAA for illegally downloading music from the internet. The day after the charges were filed, both parties agreed to settle the case. LaHara party must pay some money. Reported by the New York Post. LaHara is known as a 12-year-old high achiever who lives in a New York City Housing Authority apartment. On September 9, 2003, the lawsuit claimed LaHara had offered more than 1,000 songs on the internet, using the file-sharing service Kazaa. LaHara became the first of 261 defendants to settle their lawsuits with the association. He agreed to pay $2,000, or about $2 per song he allegedly shared.